Hey guys, it's Angela and it's snowing! Over by the Verizon Center, and we are supposed to get a ton of snow today. Last I checked, it was like 10 to 20 inches. Look at how pretty everything is. I wanted to come here because I wanted to capture the snow plus the city lights. And I feel like the Chinatown area is the place in DC where we have the most lights. The city has basically shut down. Everything is closed. Just walking around. Hopefully I can capture some cool stuff. It's snowing a lot. So there's the Chinatown gate, and then all of this stuff. I don't know. But there's the Chinatown gate. Hopefully I can get some cool shots of maybe like some cars driving by or some people walking underneath. I don't know, but it is coming down hard. I feel like when I'm walking, sometimes the snowflakes like go directly into my eyes. Look at how pretty it is out here. Slow pan. Slow Angela pan. Oh, sorry, I started speeding up at the end. I love it when no one has walked on the snow yet. It's so pretty. That guy's riding a bike. In the snow. Alright guys, I think I'm done. Been out here for about an hour and a half. I'm cold, my fingers are cold, camera's cold. So sorry this was a short one, but I'll insert some of my pictures. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.